Hey guys, welcome to Engineering Box. So I have came up with a new idea of comparing projects on mobile charging devices. So there are many videos on how to make mobile charging devices with 1.5 volt AA batteries or AAA batteries, but now I'm going to show you, do they really work or not. So I randomly picked three different circuits which they have made from each three different channels, and I'll be showing you how do they work and all. So let's get started. So this is gonna be the first circuit, and in these circuits I have used transistor C1825 transistor, and you can find the circuit in the description below. And the ferrite core has 24 AWG wire and 30 AWG wire. So and this is gonna be 24 and this is gonna be 30 AWG, and this is around ferrite core. So these are the inputs of this circuit. This is a anode and this is a cathode. Now let's check the voltage, output voltage. Before that, we'll check the cell voltage. I have prepared a 2-cell battery pack. Let's check the voltage of this battery. So output is 2.81. This is a 1-cell battery. They have shown this circuit using 1-cell battery itself, so I will be using 1-cell battery only. You see, it's charged, but there's no sufficient voltage so that it shows it as charging. Through this circuit you can just only show that it is charging, but actually it doesn't charge with 1 cell, and if you connect 2 cells it will charge. See, there's a red light notification, but it just shows it as charging. When I tested for I left it connected for half an hour. Rather than increase of charge, the charge has decreased. So this is an inefficient circuit for mobile charging in emergency also. So now we'll move on to next circuit. So this is the next circuit. So these circuit components are made of from CFL bulb, and you can find this circuit in the description below. And this has 40 turns, of same copper wire. So now let's test it. So basically this is a booster, DC booster. If you don't connect a Zener diode here, the output will be around 20 volts. But for charging sake, you need only for charging you need 5 volts itself. So I have added Zener diode. So now we'll just check how much is the voltage output. So this is the output of this circuit, 5 volt, 5.3 volts. And if you remove this Zener diode, the output will be around 21 volts with 1.5 volts. So basically this is a DC booster, right? And the current rating is around 2.3 milliamps itself. I hope this will be useful for charging itself. Now let's test. And with this circuit it shows that with the one cell battery itself it is charging, and to compare to the previous circuit, with this circuit the charge will be on hold. So this circuit can be used as an emergency circuit. So compared to previous circuit, this is better. Okay. And you can find the circuit in this in the links in description. Now we'll go to the next circuit. So this is the last circuit, and this circuit is similar to the first circuit which I have shown here, and comparatively this has a 2200 microfarad capacitor in the end, and in the beginning it has 470 microfarad 16 volts capacitor. And you can also find this circuit in the description, and the turnings are similar. Now we'll see the output of this voltage, output of this circuit with the one cell. You can see it shows 5.1 voltage, output voltage, DC voltage. This is sufficient to charge mobile phone. So even this circuit works with single cell AA battery. So I recommend the second and third circuits are best for emergency circuits, and I highly recommend the second one will hold your charge to some extent rather than this circuit. Even this circuit reduces your mobile battery. And if you find it, and this is all I want to show you. You can't make efficient circuit for mobile charging with single batteries, because these batteries doesn't provide you high amount of current to charge the mobile batteries. So that's all for now. If you find any mistake in my video, please do let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.